everyone, I would like to welcome you back to my channel. And to those who are new and to my new subscribers, to my new followers, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how I make my gluten. Gluten is actually a meat substitute or a vegetarian meat. So I only have two ingredients, all-purpose flour and water. So, but before we start, I will tie my hair first. This is just very easy actually. So all you have to do is, you just make a dough. This is all-purpose flour. So I'll just put it in a basin. Make sure you leave at least 1/4 of your flour. Okay, so the next thing you will do is pour water over your flour. Use your bare hand. I already washed my hands a while ago. So just use your bare hands to make this one and to make a dough. Now, if you are planning to do this at home, it is actually nice to do it together with your kids. It's some kind of a mother-daughter bonding or mother-kids bonding. And at the same time, you are actually teaching them how to cook, how to make healthy foods at home. Water. I need more water. You really need to knead it very nicely so that you can get more meat. It's tiring, but it's an exercise as well. Exercise to your arms. I think this one is still sticky. So if you think it's still sticky, add a little bit of flour. And if you have a mixer, you can use mixer as well. It's much easier. It's just that I don't have a mixer, so I'm using my bare hands. As long as it's not sticky, so you just have to knead it more. Until you can get the soft dough. So I guess this one is good. So the texture should be like this. If you can do this one, it's made out sticky. So this is the perfect dough. And make a ball. So you just have to make a ball. And check if it's not sticky in your hands. Then this is the perfect dough. And try to stretch it like this. And it's not sticky in your hand. So it means this is the perfect dough. Fill your basin with water. And we will babad, simmer, marinate the English of bubad? My brain is not working right now because I'm so hungry. So just fill your basin with water. Just make sure you cover everything with water. So that's it. So that's it. Leave it for like 4 hours, 4 or 5, or better yet, overnight. Leave it for overnight. So the next thing we will do is so this is what my husband did last night. So we will rinse this one. So before you wash the dough, you get a pot, a big pot, and fill it with water and start to boil it. Put ingredients like onions, garlic, seasonings, sauces, and anything that you want to put in it. Measurement, I don't have exact measurement. So seasonings, this one is seasoning, vegetarian seasoning or mushrooms. I will add more and a little salt. And I will also add garlic powder. And if you have if you have onion powder, you can also put onion powder. And what else? This one. Parsley flakes. I like that. Parsley flakes as well. Or if you want to add ginger, you can also put ginger. And if you want to add black pepper, you can also add black pepper. So that's it. So just let it boil, and while you are waiting for your what do you call this? Water mixture to boil, let's go wash our dough. So let's wash the dough. There is actually a technique on how to make your gluten not too hard. Like it tastes like when you chew it, it's like Spartan. You know what's Spartan? A Spartan is a slipper in the Philippines. And if it's really hard, it's like rubberized. So I will show you my technique on how I make my soft gluten. So rinse it until you can make or form a ball, or your water to get clearer. So right now it looks like this. So check if there's still lumps of flour. So if there's none, divide it. Actually, I divided it into half. So divide it into half. So can you see there's still, what do you call this? The water is still whitish. I don't know. I don't have any idea. So all you have to do is don't form a ball, because once you form a ball like this, if you do this, it will make very hard. It will make your gluten very hard. So on your final rinse, just do this one. When you rinse it, just run the water and so that you can achieve the soft gluten texture, not a Spartan-like gluten. And so I guess my water mixture is already boiling. And make sure when you put this one on your water mixture, the water is already boiling, okay? Oh no. So it looks like this. So this is the final product. I mean, it's not yet the final product. Almost the final product. So it looks like this. It's time to put this one on the boiling water. And do with the rest. This is the second half. See if you can see this one. This. Make sure you rinse it. Like this. Rinse it very nicely. So just making sure we are putting enough air on our dough to make it soft, chewy soft. So let it boil for like 15 minutes without covering it. And every time, from time to time, flip it on the other side, okay? So it won't stick under the bottom of your pot. So that's it. So later we will find out our final product. I guess this is cooked. It's already floating. Okay, we'll just give it 5 more minutes. So this is the finished product. You can actually see that it has a very nice texture. This one is soft. Okay, so what menu you can do with this gluten? You can actually make curry, adobo, or whatever you want with this gluten. So as what I told you a while ago, this is a meat substitute. The meat substitute, this gluten is very nice for those who wants to change their diet from meat eater to a vegetarian. And this is actually good for those who have a very high cholesterol. So this gluten is very rich in protein. So on my next video, I will teach you how I make my family's favorite, the gluten barbecue. So once again, I would like to thank you for watching on my channel, and thank you once again for my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And please, before I end my video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please tap the bell button so that you will be notified on my next video. So once again, I would like to thank you, and please do watch out for my next videos. Thank you so much.